What's the unseen power behind every success story you admire?
Behind every shining achievement is a less glamorous companion: consistency. Imagine success as a castle. You can't build it in a day, but every brick you lay consistently creates a fortress over time. Think of habits as your bricks. They may be small, but they're mighty. Whether it's waking up early, working on your business plan, or practicing mindfulness, these habits stack up. And just like a castle, your success won't crumble with one missed brick, but neglect too many, and the structure weakens. So, how do you build your castle? Start with one brick at a time, one habit at a time, one day at a time. Focus not on building the grandest castle in a day, but on placing each brick with precision and care. Your consistency will craft your palace of success. Ready to lay the first brick towards building your dreams? Don't wait for tomorrow. Begin shaping your destiny with the choices you make today. For more insights on constructing your path to victory, brick by brick, follow me for more posts.